Okay, so another kiss box. Okay, so they sent me this one the same day as the red one, so I'm gonna maybe upload them at the same time, like in the same video, not a separate video. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna try and hurry up because I have more boxes to unbox. So yay, thank you, kiss. Again, I'm gonna keep saying it. I'm sorry if I'm annoying to it. Yay. Okay, so this is their masterpiece one of a kind Lux Lash. Okay, so this is how the card looks. Oh, I love her lashes. So this is the Lash Couture masterpiece collection. So okay, so each lash fiber is a seamless taper that looks more natural than any other lash, and this one's reusable up to 20 times, so that's a long time. Wow. So they're very fine lashes, but they're very comfortable, the best quality out there when it comes to Kiss, the brand. So okay, that's what they're saying. So I just love her makeup here, like wow, the lashes. Okay, so we'll see. So it's very fancy. I love the packaging. I don't want to rip it, but okay, so let me open it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Ta-da! Okay. Oops. So, okay, right off the bat, this is very pretty. Okay, so these are Pret-a-Porter. I think this is a different language. These are very natural. Wow, I love this pattern. I forget the name, but it's very natural and pretty and wispy and kind of long, but not really. So this is most mink-like. So these are faux mink. If you're the type of person that likes cruelty-free lashes like myself, I don't really like to use the real mink hair. So these look or feel more like the mink fur, but they're not. It's faux mink, like right here. So wow, so these, they're very nice. The quality, yeah, they do look like mink. Wow. Okay, so these are new. So wow, okay, pretty nice. Okay, the other thing that was next to it is, I don't know what this is. Okay, it's just a black box. So let me open it. Okay, let's see. Ooh, what is this? What is it, makeup or a mirror? I think it's a mirror, right? Yes, I guess, right? Yay, a mirror. You can never have too many mirrors, so this is pretty nice. It comes with two sides. And then I think this one's zoom and this one's not. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Wow, thank you, Kiss. Wow. Okay, this looks nice. Wow, I didn't know they had mirrors, but so this is, what is this? Oh yay, more lash glue. So this is the black lash glue. Oh, I unboxed the clear one, right? I think, but this is the black version. So pretty cool. And ooh, I prefer these, the wand types, but I haven't tried this one. This is the super strong strip lash adhesive. This one lasts 24 hours and it is clear. So wow, yeah, because the Kiss one I use is this one, the strip lash adhesive with aloe clear. This is the one that I always use for years and I repurchased. This is very good for me. So yay, I'm excited to try more of their lash glues. That looks nice. Wow. Hey, everything's bonding. Okay. Yay. Okay. Ooh. So next, more lashes. Wow. Okay, so let me show them at the same time. So these are the hot couture, and these are the avant-garde lashes. So wow, they're very similar, but they're not. They're very pretty. So they're very natural, wispy, but at the same time dramatic and long, you know. So wow, I can't believe wow, there's a lot of lashes to choose from. Like, I don't know which one I want to use first. Like, damn. Or maybe I'll give some away or save it for clients. I don't know. We'll see. But damn, what? Wow, I can't believe it. Like, so it's a new collection. So these are all foaming. So wow, they're very, 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 very pretty. Like, are you kidding me? I can't. But yay, bye, thank you. Kiss. This was a smaller box, so that was pretty fast. So yeah, wow, I can. Wow. Yeah, I wish I could give everyone one of these. Like, here, this for you, this for you. Like, I feel bad. Like, this is a lot for me. Like it's wow. I can't. Like, I still can't believe it was. But you can never have too many lashes or lash glue if you're a content creator or makeup artist, or you just love lashes. Like, there are different styles, so it's not really a waste, but still, like, I feel bad, you know. It's like, wow, very, very, wow. I don't know how to react. I don't know how to react. But wow, I can't. Wow. Okay, so I guess, like, stop seeing the same thing over and over again. But in the mirror, everything is very, very cute. Like, wow. Why do I feel like I had another pair of lash? I don't know. Like, wow. I can't believe it. Years ago, one of my goals to be in a PR list, and look at me. I can't believe it. Like, so don't give up. If you're trying to get PR from them or any other brand, like, please don't, because, you know, like, you little, like me, like, really, like, there's a bunch of people out there, and, like, me, what? Like, just, you know, be yourself and have fun, and you never know. Look, and for free, like, what? I can't. Okay, so yay, bye. Thank you so much, kids. Thanks for watching.